Hey guys, Bismoto here. I know it's been a while. Today I'm just going to go for a ride to a car wash. Gonna get the Z125 cleaned up a little bit. It's a little dirty. Been having a lot of rain here lately, so the roads are kind of muddy in spots from the farmers. Well, yeah, I'm going to get a car wash. I've been looking for like a manual car wash where you wash it yourself, and a lot of them around here, they're shutting them down, so I don't know if that's going to be a thing where they're not going to be around anymore or what, but... And I know my mobile home, when I redid it, we didn't put the water spigot back on it outside yet, so I gotta wait, or I gotta at least get that done before they do stop having these car washes around. But yeah, guys, I've been pretty busy lately. I know I haven't been making videos. A lot of it's because of the rain or snow. A lot of it's because I work so much. And then when I do ride, I usually go with a group of friends sometimes, and we cruise out in like Kenosha, Racine, stuff like that. And then I just want to enjoy myself and ride and not be bothered with making a video. I don't know, if, like I said, if you ever want to see a video of us riding, watch the YouTube Ray, the one in my previous video. He's going to be doing some moto vlogs of us riding pretty soon, I guess. He has better equipment than me for that kind of stuff, so... But yeah, we've been riding around Kenosha and stuff, having a really good time. Probably the most fun I've had in a long time. I took my Z190 yesterday, and it ran really well. I let Chris ride it, and I let Ray ride it, and they're telling me there's something wonky with my steering, but I'm so used to driving it, I don't really notice it. But I guess I got to get that looked into. I don't know. Hopefully it's just the bearings and the bearings in it or something in the steering. I'm not sure. But they said there's something definitely different going on, so I guess I better get that checked out. But other than that, the Z190 is running flawlessly. Haven't had a problem with that. Still waiting on the boomerangs for my stock Grom, the one I got last year, the one that was yellow but now it's white. Those are supposed to be in this Tuesday, I guess, so we'll see. And then I'll probably do a moto vlog on that one if I have time. It doesn't rain. I mean, as you can see, it looks like it's going to rain right now. But yeah, man, these little bikes are so much fun. If you are ever thinking about getting one, I would highly recommend it. They're still fun when you ride alone, but they're like 3 times as fun once you ride with a group. Riding with a group gets a little crazy sometimes, but that's what makes it fun. We were riding in a parking garage yesterday, and oh my god, it sounded so cool with all these pipes and their exhausts and stuff on them. Just sounded so neat. Sounded like there was a race going on up in there. Yeah, these roads were pretty muddy yesterday, but they seem like they cleaned up a little bit. We had some rain last night, so it cleaned them up. Man, some of the houses around here are just outrageous. Super nice. Yeah, I've been working 10-hour shifts. Oh, it looks like it just got done raining over here. But yeah, we've been working 10-hour shifts lately. And when I wake up in the morning, it just doesn't give me the energy to be doing moto vlogs. So usually the only time I really get out and ride is during the weekend. Boy, I hope I'm not going to wash my bike for nothing. This weather's looking pretty sketchy. Yeah, we rode out to the Zion nuclear plant yesterday. That was kind of fun. I used to live out in Zion, and I remember people always saying there was I believe this was over by the nuclear power plant, but there was like a outlet where they'd pump water into the nuclear power plant back out, and people said it was swimming there was always really warm. I honestly wonder how safe it was swimming there. Now that you look back on things, you know. But yeah, we were doing the tire squeals where you slam on the brakes and stuff like that. It was fun. The Z190 tires do that. The Shirokos or whatever they are I got on there, the white walls. But the Z190, I have the Kenda KD1s on it. And these tires don't do that, so it kind of makes it a little boring for me when I take this bike out for that. But otherwise, the Z is actually a really good bike. This one has the recall for the stalling issue. Like when you come to a stop, it wants to stall sometimes. And actually, when this thing's cold, it is a major problem. Or like when you try to give it a lot of gas, like right off the bat, sometimes it will stall then. My driving is not up to par with those other guys who I ride with, but so that kind of sucks, but I don't know, I'll get there eventually, hopefully. The thing is, over here where I live, there's not that many turns and stuff like that to practice at. Where over there, we're like driving through towns with a lot of curves and stuff like that. And a lot of fun. But yeah, back to the computer for this thing. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, like Memorial Day, before Memorial Day, and I still don't have it. Huh, nice VW. So that's kind of annoying me. They told me it would be in that week of Memorial Day, and it's still not here. Man, it's raining a little bit right now, but not too bad. Just a slight little drizzle. The weather's been really nice here for riding. Last night we went riding and I wasn't cold at all, surprisingly. Yeah, I wanted to buy another, like a full-size bike this year, but I think I'm gonna wait till next year, just because things at my job are kind of weird. They're gonna be changing things, moving out like our equipment and bringing in new, they're saying. So I've heard this before, so I'm just going to play it out and see what happens and not really make any plans or buy anything expensive until I know that my job is going to be safe. So, oh, here's a car wash already. Little dinky car wash over here. Ray Ray's got an R3 for sale right now, which if I had the money I would be all over it right now, but unfortunately I don't have. Oh damn it, this one's closed. Next one over. This is the one I used yesterday. I'll give you guys a tip. If you ever build a bike and you get the rims powder coated, don't do white. Those rims get so dirty so fast. I had the bike cleaned yesterday, and today it looks like shit again. So white's not a good choice for rims. Let's find the color like a blue or something maybe. Oh boy, left my blinker on. I should probably take my phone off and take my key out. But yeah, guys, these old car washes like this are going away. They were really popular back in the 90s, but everybody wants somebody else to wash for them nowadays, I guess. What do we got going on here? I broke my glasses, and now I'm wearing a different pair, and I can't see worth shit. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, I am not a 20-year-old. Or a teenager, so I am going blind pretty much, it seems like. Sucks when you start to need 5 different pairs of glasses to do anything. Uh-oh, looks like my blinker came off. Gonna have to fix that. Fantastic. I'll tell you guys, with these little, well, I shouldn't say these little bikes. They're actually really good. But when you own as many bikes with me, it's always something going wrong. You fix one problem and you end up getting 5 other ones. Like I said, my ice bearer, that thing's all messed up right now. The exhaust is falling off and stuff like that. And where the hell's the soap at? Come on. Jeez. No wonder why these things are going out of business. Nobody takes care of this shit. Alright, well, it looks like I am not getting the soap out of here, so I guess what it's going to be is, what's the next option here? I guess I could try using the engine cleaner. That sounds like an idea. Use that to clean the rims. Oh, it's kind of funny. It seems like everything that's coming out. Oh, this way, there's something. You know, looks like there's water coming out. I don't think they put anything in these things anymore. But yeah, guys, I'll be trying to make a little bit more videos for you guys. Okay, now I smell something coming out of it, so there's something in here. I'm going to go home and oil up the chain again, so that'll be alright. I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, these things get really dirty pretty quickly. Alright. So now we'll just try using regular soap if they have that. Where the hell is it? Foaming tire cleaner. Yeah, let's see this. This will be interesting. Yeah, not very exciting. Alright, so we need, there we go, hot wax. Let's check this out. Trying to clean up the spots that I know are really, really dirty. Get the bugs off the headlight. That back blinker won't be hard to fix. I think just the bolt must have came out that holds the little metal piece in there. Oh yeah, she's looking better already. Get underneath a little bit. The thing about getting rims on this one powder coated gold, so we'll see if I do that this year or not. It's a possibility. Alright. Well, that should be more than enough. I only got a couple seconds left, so I guess I'll use it up. Alright. Well, now I'll just go home and clean this up, or lube everything up on it. I'm going to dry it off now. But yeah, guys, I'm probably going to cut this video off here. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about. If there's any bikes you want me to talk about, or any of the group rides I went on, or anything like that. But yeah, guys, this is my Z125. All nice and clean now. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Share if you want. Hit the bell for notifications. I will see you in the next video. Bye.